Chunking your content within tabs is a nice way to make your content more interesting on the screen, and it also helps scaffold the learning. To do this, let's start by scrolling to the bottom of the course content and choosing Add Block, then Add Your Component. Scroll down the component list and choose Tabs. Then click the cog and choose Edit to enter your content into your tab interaction. Here, I'm going to enter the introductory and instruction text, and then I'll choose whether the tab buttons will display at the top or on the left of the interaction. Next, I'm going to select Add to enter the content for each tab item. You'll need to add a title for each tab, along with your content, and it's optional to include any image assets. Now select Add and enter your next tab title and content. Naturally, you'll need to do this for each tab in your interaction. Okay, so here we can see an example of 3 tabs displayed fully across the screen, with the tab buttons at the top. With the versatility of App-eLearn, you can use the same interaction in multiple ways. Along with tab buttons at the top or on the left, you can choose to show the content across the left or the right of the screen. And you can even add an image to sit next to the tabs.